Maybe Fishing Trail. Today we're doing a day in the life series over our chicken. You can see them back there. That's our coop right there, and we're gonna go feed them. So let's take a little walk as we go down, and there's 12 chickens. One's a rooster, and 11 are one whole pack, and they love just laying. We always get the nice fresh eggs every day, and we just love it. So we have one big chicken in that other coop. It's an emu. There's an emu in there.
I don't want to be on camera.
You don't want to be on camera. So we're going in. You can see him. They like eating the snow. Here's one of them. That is the one. So they are very pretty animals. Then give Patty. Really colorful chicken. Like Patty Buttercup. Look at the camera. You're on Maybe Fishing Trail. Yeah. You're Patty Butters. You're a Patty Butterstick. You have like a ranger. He's tiny. He's a little bantam.
Oh, you've got it all over you now.
So that was Ranger. Yeah, that was Ranger Squirrel. Stay tuned then to Maybe Fishing Trail. Today we are going to do a day in the life series. See you later. Thanks for tuning in to Maybe Fishing Trail.